Hi, my name is Mr. Johnson. Welcome to DFT-240, Geometric Dimensioning and Tolerances, GD&T. This is an introductory video to get you started and get you to understand the course. The course is being taught in Blackboard. So let's turn to Blackboard real quick. Go ahead and go into your DFT-240 class, and you'll come up with a home page similar to this. I want you to always look at your announcements first thing. With this class, you're going to have a welcome announcement. Okay. Basically where I introduce myself, introduce the class, give you a couple of hints and a couple of tips. Okay. After that, we're going to go to Startup. It says Open First. This is what we call our menu in Blackboard. You're going to go to Startup, Open First. Okay. Inside of here, you're going to have the video introduction, which we're doing right now. You're going to have startup instructions. Okay. You're going to click on that. You'll notice that all of these files are .docs. Okay, so you're going to need Microsoft Office. Office contains Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Okay, if you don't have that, let me know immediately, and we'll make some kind of exception and get you some files that you can read. Okay, so we're going to hit Open. All right, and with your startup, it's going to tell you the book to use, to download, read your syllabus. It's going to show also, it's going to tell you where to get your software for AutoCAD. All right, I'm going to go to the website really quick for AutoCAD, and it's called students.autodesk.com. Okay, inside of here, you're going to register. Actually, I'm logged on right now, so let me log off. You're going to go, when you open up the site, you're going to go to register. Okay? This is just for those of you that don't have AutoCAD already. So you got to fill out all of these blanks, and then at the bottom you got to agree to the terms and conditions. You hit submit, and then you'll get an email in your kctcs.edu email, and you open that up and just follow the instructions, and then it'll get you to log in. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you really quick what AutoCAD that you're going to download. Okay, when you get inside and you get all your download instructions taken care of, and you get authorization, you fill out your username, which is typically your email address, and your password. You're going to go to Get Software. Okay. Now for GD&T, I would rather see you guys get mechanical. All right. So we're going to click on mechanical, and then it's going to say choose your version. Now this is where it gets tricky. This is where a lot of people get messed up and then start sending me emails that they can't download. You'll notice that you'll have 32-bit and 64-bit ceilings. All right. That's going to be contingent to your operating system. So of course English is what we want. That's our basic language. Anybody that's running Windows 7, you're more than likely going to have a 64-bit system. Okay. Now, to find out what your system is, guys, all you got to do is go and right-click on your computer and hit Properties, and you can find out your system. And then once you do that, for instance, go to, and you should get a serial number. Okay, and download, and you can start your download. Make sure you got high-speed internet, or it will take you a very, very long time. If you have any problems, send me an email, and we'll get you online with AutoCAD. Okay, back to Blackboard. Here's an information sheet. I want you to click on that. Open. Guys, I want you to fill out all this stuff right here. Okay? Fill it out, save it, and send it to me. I'll show you where to attach it. And next is your syllabus. Just click on it. And I've got one over here we can look at really quick. This is the syllabus for Advanced Dimensioning and Measurement, or GD&T. This is my contact information. All right. You can best get in contact with me by my email. Okay, these are your prerequisites. This is your course description, your course objectives, and you're going to need 2 books. Let's look at these books really quick. You're going to need the textbook, okay, which you're going to read through each chapter. Your ISBN for your textbook is 60525-249-0. All right? This is your textbook. You're also going to need your study guide. All right? The study guide is a 978-160-525-6250, same as your textbook, except with a -6. Okay? A lot of your work is going to be coming from your textbook. Excuse me, from your study guide. All right? I do have some textbook questions intermingled in there, and I'll show you how that works. Let's go back to our syllabus. This is all your ISBN numbers. There's a nice shot of your front page. This is your grading policy. All work is due upon a due date. As noted in the assignment sheet, any work over a week late will be penalized. So I'll give you a week past your due date to get your work in. After that, you're going to lose a letter grade. This is your breakdown of your percentage, assignments, discussion board, and tests and quizzes. This is my grading scale. Okay, A is a 90 to 100, nothing new there. This is your ADA statement, code of conduct. Of course, you're not in the classroom, so that doesn't really apply. Check your check your KCTCS. You need to check that account. Sometimes I send you emails. Okay, so you need to check that. And that's it on your syllabus. Let's go back to Blackboard really quick. All right, so after you do that, let's go on to Content Supplement. Inside of Content Supplement is where you're going to have all your assignments. Okay, you're going to open up your first drawing. Excuse me, you're going to open up your first assignment, which is drawing template and information sheet. This is how everything is structured, set up. You have the instructions. It's going to tell you how to do your assignments. You're going to have teaching aids. It's going to prepare you for your assignments. Okay, but this is not a substitute for you not reading your textbook. You must read your textbook, each chapter. And this is where you attach your assignments. Let's walk through these really quick. Instructions. Okay, this is your template instruction. I want all your drawings to be put in a template. All right? Some of you guys, this is creating a template file in AutoCAD using the pull-down menus. All right? Just walk through here if you have any problems. Some of you guys may already have your template built. If that is, great. If not, your template essentially is going to look like that. Okay? And this is where I want you to put all your drawings that you're doing. All right? Any questions? Just let me know. Okay, now let's go back to this panel. Teaching aids. Inside of here, I'm going to have PowerPoints. You're going to see some videos and etc. It's very important that you work through those. They're actually an aid for you that I put in there. There's not going to be a lot for the first one, for your drawing template. And this is crucial. This is where you're going to attach your assignments. You're going to click on assignments. You're going to go ahead and send me your title block template so I can look at it and give you credit for it. And this is where you attach your student information. Okay, so all you got to do is click on here. And when you click on here, you're going to have your name, the name of the assignment, any instructions that I put in there, your due date, and the amount of points that it's worth. Okay, and if you want to send me a note of any kind, put it in here. And then you're going to go to the attach file, click browse my computer, and go and find your drawing and hit open, and it will attach it, and you hit submit, and it'll be sent to me. Okay? Now let's go back to Content Supplement. Let's go to Chapter 1 really quick. Okay, Chapter 1. We're going to click on that. Click on your instructions, of course, first thing. And there's a Word document. We're going to open it up. Okay, the first chapter is simply introduction. Okay, I kind of give you a synopsis or a summary of what the first chapter is. And you'll be completing all the review exercises, 1 through 23, found in your study guide. Let's look at your study guide real quick. When I say review exercises, all right, these are your review exercises, your multiple choice, your true and false, your fill in the blank, and your short answer. All right? Now, with the other chapters, you're going to have also the review questions, true, false, fill in the blanks, short answers. But you'll have application problems, okay? These application problems can be done in AutoCAD. You may have to measure sometimes. For instance, it doesn't give you the dimension of that shaft, all right? So you may have to measure it and put it in AutoCAD, okay? You may have to measure these. Just properly show the radius symbol, okay? Some of the dimensions are not given. Just go ahead and measure it. I'm not worried about the dimensions, okay? I'm more worried about you following the instructions and showing the radius symbols, okay? So these are your application problems, and you're going to be doing most of these in AutoCAD. Identify each of the given symbols. If you want, you can put that in AutoCAD. It'll be easier for you in AutoCAD because mechanical will have all these symbols, and then you can just draw out or just put a text beside it what these symbols are all about, okay? So most of your application problems will be done in AutoCAD. Let's go back to Blackboard. Inside here, it says just attach a Word document under the content supplement link like we were doing. Just go to the assignment to attach it. Okay? Let's go to Chapter 2 real quick where you do have some application problems. In Chapter 2, you're going to click on it. And click on Instructions, Teaching Aids. You're going to see inside of a lot of these I've added some links. Okay, I've added some PDFs for GD&Ts, the hierarchy, and you have a PowerPoint. All right. Again, these teaching aids are not to take place of you reading the chapter. You need to read the chapter in the text first. Let's go back to Chapter 2 and look at the assignments really quick. Click on Assignments. Okay, your review exercises will be your first one. All right, these will be in a Word document. Always be in a Word document because you're doing the multiple choice, the true and false, the fill in the blanks, and the short answers. So all you got to do is click on it. Put any notes in here that you want to make. Okay, and then browse my computer to attach the Word document. Find the Word document, for instance, that's a Word document, and attach it. And hit submit. Okay? Pretty simple. That's the way all your review exercises are going to be done. They're going to be submitted as one assignment. Okay? Now, for your practical application problems, I've got each one of these. Okay? So if you do a drawing application problem found in the study guide, I'll tell you whether it's found in the study guide or in the text. You just click on here. All right, and attach your drawing. Okay, I've got each one of these separated individually. All right. For instance, this assignment you're going to do 34, 37, 38, 39, and 40 from your study guide. Okay. Most of these are going to be able to be done in AutoCAD. All right, and again, you may have to measure the geometry. Okay. Let's go back to Content Supplement. Let me find one for you where you're going to use a textbook, and I think it's going to be Chapter 3. Okay, you can see your review exercises are going to be taken from the textbook this time. See that? Textbook. You only have about 3 that are taken from textbook. The rest of them is going to be taken from your study guide. Okay, so look in the back of your textbook after you read Chapter 3. And you're going to be submitting all of your review exercises 1 through 47 here in a Word document. And these will all be CAD drawings. Okay? And lastly, your discussion board. You're going to click on that. This is where you interact with your classmates and also myself. The first discussion board, you're going to click on it. Okay, it says nothing found, so you're going to create a thread. You're going to click on that. All right, you're just going to, our first discussion board actually covers, I want to know who you are, what your aspirations are, and things like that, okay? So, and then you just hit submit, all right?